motohoon, motohoon, moto. Alright, I gotta ride my tuono because I just finished it. And I actually want to go for a ride today. Sadly, my tires don't have much life left in them. And my garage is officially bipolar, which is awesome. But I'm so stoked to ride the tuono. I was supposed to burp this. Totally didn't burp it. I don't know where I'm riding to. I do know one thing. I'm gonna go have some fun. There's that damn balloon. I went for a group ride last week on the H2 and I fucking hated it. And I think I've come to find out that I'm a lone motherfucking wolf, dude. It just is what it is. This ride's for you, Carson, dude. I hope you enjoy this one. I was like, why is it cutting out? Oh, it's because traction control. That guy is bike live. I have no neutral light. I definitely have a neutral light. The bike's not working. What?
Are you going to walk it back?
I guess so.
Do you have the... We can work on it on... when she goes to bed. Do you have the mailroom key, Daddy?
Yeah.
Can I use it?
Yeah. Alright, well. That's dope. God, I was so excited. You know, and I had everything and whatever. Fuck it. Fuck it. I have no clue. The battery is my only guess. Or a plug got roasted from my hooking it up. Can you just get the mail tomorrow?
It's been 4 days. I haven't
Oh, I need the key then. She had it? Alright, love you, bye.
Love you. I'm sorry, honey.
Yeah, I just wanted to go out for fun.
Just still go on the H2.
Fuck that. I wanted to ride this bike. It's my favorite. I don't give a fuck about the H2. The thing's whatever. I ride that for the people, not for myself. Oh my god, how frustrating. Love you too. Dude, it's like everything's just telling me not to ride anymore. It's like my brain is just telling me everyone else is dumb on the group ride, like how stupid these people are for doing dumb shit. Like, try to ride this, fucking no dice. Try to ride the Gixxer, chain snaps. Try to start the Gixxer recently, it just fucking dies out. It's like everything is working against me at the moment, and I just gotta keep pushing back and fighting for what I love, I guess. I mean, obviously, at the end of the day, the only thing that truly matters is the health of my family. So, anyway, GG, well played, peeps. Dude, that was about to be a fun ride, too. Oh. I don't think it would be the battery. gotta be a bad battery. Fuck me, dog. Fuck. How's it going? What's up? Oh, I'll be alright. It's just, I needed the workout today. Have a good one. Thank you. People out here are friendly. They have each other's backs till shit hits the fan. And everyone's shooting at everyone else for goddamn water and toilet paper. Alright. That's what it all comes down to. Water and toilet paper. Even though I'm cool with wiping my ass with whatever, dude. Shit, I'd use that bush right there. Straight up. No issues. I could use a gaggle of twigs and then light a fire with it afterward. Use this Kindle. Son of a bitch. At this point, I'm thinking about investing in some real life horses. As long as their heart's beating, I know they fucking work. This thing looks can be deceiving. Fucking seeing red. What battery do I take? Oh. No way. Are you kidding me? I gotta take off my fucking helmet. I'm burning up in this bitch. Ooh.